In the age of AI, you are only limited by your imagination, and your imagination is limited by your knowledge. So here's the knowledge, a complete course Claude for everyone. Everything I know about this tool I learned free on YouTube. This course is how I repay that debt to the community, and it's built to compound. Small lessons, little by little, each one stacking on the last, until one day before you even realize it, you're a Claude expert. Welcome to Claude for everyone. This is the course intro. The full playlist is linked below. The course is free to watch, and this video is the map, who it's for, the 6 things you'll build, how the levels work, and exactly what needs a paid plan. No surprises later. First, who this is for. You've probably heard Claude is a programmer's tool. The people actually using it disagree. Anthropic measured over 1 million real work sessions with Claude's agent mode. More than 90% of what people did with it was not software development. About half was ordinary office work, reports, checklists, texts, the folder nobody wants to sort. The pinned comment has the current picture. So this course is for any adult in any role. Video editor, teacher, accountant, ops, freelancer. Nothing here assumes you can code, and every exercise swaps to your profession, same task, your files. If you can write an email, you have every prerequisite. Here's the deal this course makes with you. Every level ends with something you build and keep, not homework that gets thrown away. 6 builds, 1 per level. Level 0, a workspace inside Claude that knows your work, your files, your rules, your context. We'll call it your second brain, and every later level reuses it. Level 1, real delegation. Claude takes a genuinely messy folder job off your hands, plans it, asks your approval, does it, plus a recurring task that runs on a schedule even with your laptop closed. Level 2, Claude connected to a tool you already use, your email, your calendar, your notes, and your first generated asset from a real work idea. Level 3, a small reusable tool that summarizes any folder you point it at. You'll build it by describing it. This is the level where the fear of code quietly dies. Level 4, the capstone. You chain those pieces into a pipeline that handles one repetitive task from your actual job, end to end. Level 5, the fun one. You describe a small app or site in plain English, watch it appear, and publish it to a live link you can send to anyone. By the end, that's a small personal portfolio of real working things you made yourself. The structure is 6 levels, numbered 0 through 5. Level 0 is the on-ramp. Each level builds on the last. It's fully self-paced, no week 1, week 2, you move on when you finish a level, not when a calendar says so. Each level opens with a 2-minute intro, runs its lessons, and closes with a rap video and a short quiz, 1 question per lesson right here on YouTube. The quizzes are the only checkpoint. The builds are strongly encouraged, they are the entire point, but nothing locks if you skip one. And every video stands alone. If you only need the one about connecting your email, jump straight to it. The playlist order is the recommended path, not a locked door. Now the money question answered up front. The course is free. Claude itself has a free plan, and it genuinely covers half this course. All of level 0, all of level 2, all of level 5, and everything in between except 3 levels. Levels 1, 3, and 4 use paid features. The agent mode and the coding door need a paid plan. So here's the promise. Every video carries a plan label in the first 30 seconds. When a level needs a paid plan, its intro tells you exactly what and why in plain English. And if you're on the free plan, you can watch those demos for the mental model. Everything transfers, nothing is wasted. No mid-video paywall ambush ever. One more thing that's free, the practice files. Every file I use on screen is linked below, ungated. You download the exact same messy folder I clean up. So this course is for any role, not just technical people. And the data says that's how Claude is actually used. 6 levels, 6 builds you keep, each one stacking on the last. Quizzes are the only checkpoint. Half the course runs on the free plan, and every video tells you its plan before it asks a minute of your time. So that's the map. Now the building starts. Level 0 is your own ramp, and it's free, what Claude actually is, and the habits that make everything after it click. The first video is right below. I'll see you inside.